Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automatically translate pages in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab, giving you access to all the customization and configuration options available in the browser. The settings page is where you can control everything from your home page to privacy settings, and today we're focusing on the language features. Now look at the left side of the settings page. You'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Find and click on Languages. This section is specifically designed to manage how Chrome handles different languages, including translation features, which is exactly what we need for automatic translation. Within the Languages section, scroll down until you find the Google Translate option. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle button that controls the Use Google Translate feature. Click this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature is essential because it allows Chrome to offer translations whenever you visit a page in a foreign language, making your browsing experience much more accessible. Next, you'll see an option that says Automatically Translate these languages. Click on Add Languages right below this heading. This feature lets you specify which languages Chrome should automatically translate for you without asking for permission each time. A list of languages will appear. Select the language you want Chrome to automatically translate. For example, you might choose English if you frequently encounter English websites and want them translated into your preferred language. This tells Chrome which source language to watch for. After selecting your source language, look for the section labeled Translate into this language. Click on the drop-down menu here and choose your preferred target language. This is the language Chrome will translate pages into whenever it detects the source language you selected earlier. For instance, if you chose Spanish here, all English pages would automatically be translated into Spanish. And that's it. You've now set up automatic translation in Chrome. So whenever you visit a page in your selected language, it'll be translated instantly without any manual effort. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.